how to convert multiple images to one PDF. Hey everyone, welcome back to this quick tutorial video. Today I will guide you that how can you convert multiple images to one PDF. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open any browser on your system. Alright, after you open the browser, in the source field, you can search multiple websites that will offer you to create or generate the PDF from your multiple images. So like in my case, I will recommend you to use this free website that will offer you to convert multiple images to your one PDF. So that website is I love PDF. Alright, so from the section you have to just find out the official site like ilovepdf.com. So simply click on that option ilovepdf.com, and from the I love PDF section you'll have to scroll down and go the options like JPG to PDF. So make sure that your all images are on JPG format. So simply after you confirm it, click on JPG to PDF. Alright, so from this way you'll have to click on select JPG images, and from here you'll have to select those images we want to convert in one PDF. So simply select the images here. Alright, after you select it, click on open. Okay, as you can see, I have successfully added these four random picture from here, and after you add it, click on convert to PDF here. Alright, as you can see, the image has been converted to PDF. So from here, you'll have to just click on the option download PDF from here, and after you click on that, you can easily download that PDF file from where you have converted with the multiple pictures. So this is the easiest and simplest method. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.